Welcome to RV's Software Solutions. We are introducing Data Editar COVID Bill Updation Form Filling Auto Typing Software. Process of auto typing. RV's team convert COVID data form into Excel. Upload Excel into Auto Typer software. Log into Data Editar Form Filling Data Entry site. Select form number in Data Editar Auto Typing software. Click on Start button and keep cursor in the first box of Data Editar Form Filling website. Auto typing software starts typing. While Data Editar Form Filling Auto Typer is in typing process, don't touch keyboard or mouse until fill form completing. After auto typing completed, once check all the data and do required QC and save the form. Repeat form filling auto typing process and save your time and earn more money. Thanks for watching. Contact +91 970 430 5784.